the same. But
Yes.
yes, but
But I would say with or else, there's almost an element of when you're using it with a person,
when you're using what?
or else with another person, it's often otherwise or this bad thing will happen, meaning it's often used as a threat. So do this or else, full stop. And the person will go, whoa, if I don't do this, this person is threatening me. So or else can have a very negative additional meaning. When you want to threaten somebody, but without specifying what the punishment or what the negative consequence will be, you say, or else, full stop. And then the person understands, okay, you're clearly threatening me, I know something very bad will happen, so bad that you don't want to say it. So they are synonyms, but or else kind of emphasizes the negative quality of the thing that will happen. Yeah, I mean, if you're using it in a sentence like, I'll take my umbrella, otherwise I'll get wet, or I take my umbrella or else I'll get wet. I mean, the meaning's the same, it's not a disaster, you just get wet. But or else can have this. I mean, imagine you can see really significant problems with a project that you're working on that could even maybe bring the company down. You'd maybe write an email to your boss or the powers that be and say, I think we should stop this project right now or else something bad could happen to the company. So it's definitely, look, listen, because this thing is very bad and it will happen if. It's kind of that. Or else sounds heavier.